think this bitch can go 170? I feel like this bitch will blow the fuck up before it gets to 170. I'm feeling bad when I push this bitch.
I got the whole city proud of me.
Whole city.
I'm talking numbers, bitch, that's out of reach.
Out of there.
I know these lame niggas tired of me.
Out of there.
Baby girl, I'm who we tryna be.
Yeah.
Doggy got the west, hey, bitch, I got the east.
Yeah.
My brother got the joint, hey, bitch, I got the streets.
So nice.
Windows up so they can hear. So they can hear us. Well, see if they can hear the whine. I don't think they can. I think the camera catches it.
Yeah, just wait till we get straight, buddy.
Nah, bro, you wanted to cut up in traffic, bro.
There's no cars.
You wanted to cut up in traffic, bro?
No, please. No.
Bro, these aren't even wide turns, bro.
Oh, but you're in a truck. And I was in a truck. I wasn't on the wide turn. You think that's a wide turn?
Yeah. Ooh, the bully. One of my subscribers told me they want to see a top speed pull in the Trackhawk, bro.
Yeah, you can see it on the highway. I don't. These stupid ass shits.
I like curvy roads.
In a truck?
This truck was made for curvy roads.
No, it's not.
Not even the Hellcat. The fucking Z01 on the other hand.
Yeah, that bitch.
That bitch was mean. It's hot out here. I've seen like 4
Right
cops
here.
already. You can barely hear the whine. What the fuck? Fucking Beamer came out of nowhere.
Vente, puto, vente.
Vente!
He's coming.
Oh, yeah, he coming.
Fucking car.
Oh, he was coming. Let him catch back up.
Fucking 3 something. Fucking 3. Fucking weird ass shit BMW we have.
Yeah. That's like the off-brand M4. The wannabe M4. Still get the gaps though. This bitch is fast.
You ever realized that one day you're racing that one Hellcat?
We need to catch like a McLaren, bruh. Some shit.
Some bullshit. We already called him a clear.
Oh yeah, he's trying to race, bruh. I don't like the way he's stepping on his gas pedal. Spit some flames, bro. Fuck a cop.
It's actually a cop.
There's your cop. Boop, boop. Sir. Pull the fuck over. Nah, man, I ain't pulling over. Fuck off.
You flashed it, right?
Yeah.
You flashed while you're right next to him. See, cars like this are good.
See how fast we can get it. doing 97 on the highway.
This is regular in Florida.
Yeah, honestly. We're not even passing that many cars. Everyone's just speeding. We gotta go fast.
Top mark.
And then we just blow this bitch up, bro.
I say 150.
I don't think we're gonna make it to 150.
Yeah.
Ow!
53.
I'm gonna count that as topping it out because it's stock. What the fuck else do they expect? Let's see what the top speed is on this. Let's see. 158 is the top speed I've gone in this.
Where the fuck have you been?
Yeah, right? I really be sliding a bit, you feel me?
Go 160, like,
I think I'm about to go 170, bruh.
alright, go right now.
I'm about to kill this bit right here, bruh.
Right now.
Nah, chill, there's too much traffic. There really is too much traffic, bro. Think this bitch can go 170? I feel like this bitch will blow the fuck up before it gets to 170.
It's like 160.
I'm feeling bad when I push this bitch. Boom, I push it. Again? It's too much traffic.
Where the fuck did you go 158 where they allowed you to go 158?